and have made our lives easier. In history and development, humanity has made such a unique discovery in the mind that has pointed towards the future world. The name of this technology is artificial intelligence. Artificial stands for something that is not natural, and intelligence is the capacity to understand. John McCarthy was the first to tell the world about artificial intelligence. That is why he is called the father of artificial intelligence. In 1956, he gave a detailed information about artificial intelligence. He told that artificial intelligence is a high-level computer science with the help of which intelligence can be developed in machines. AI has several applications in our day-to-day life like text and speech recognition, automatic cars, using social medias, using mobiles and phones, household stuff, navigational app, digital assistants, e-payment, spam filter, text editor. Although there are many types of AI, but mainly they are divided into four types: fully reactive, limited memory, brain theory, and self-conscious. The potential applications of AI are wide-ranging, improving healthcare to help diagnose and treat diseases, performing robotic surgery, managing healthcare data, automation and increase productivity, to increase automate tasks and increase productivity across industries, for example, using virtual assistants or AI-powered chatbots, improving security and surveillance to improve cybersecurity and surveillance system, AI-powered cameras that can learn and can detect typical human patterns such as walking, running, etc., improving traffic and transportation to improve autonomous vehicles and traffic management system, for example, AI system to detect traffic accidents and increase safety, innovation in education to improve personalized learning and online education platforms, for example, Parak, Iris, improving customer services through chatbots and virtual assistants, for example, we can use chatbots, improvement in financial services to improve risk management and financial analysis, for example, AI bots can answer customer calls, improvement in environmental production, agriculture practices like irrigation, etc. Along with Along with many potential benefits, AI also faces risks and challenges. Some of the major concerns I would like to highlight are impact on employment, job loss, privacy and security concerns, ethical and challenges. Technical errors may be possible, sometimes in face recognition, misuse, morphing of images, fake voice, audio clips. With this, I conclude that from waking up with the alarm and going to bed with our favorite music system, AI is lurking from the background through every sector. Though there are many good and bad impacts, carrying out positivity is the best we can do so far.